Good morning, everyone. Welcome back again. Today we are going to read the summary of chapter The Thief's Story written by Ruskin Bond. So let's move to the summary. The narrator, Hari Singh, not his real name, is a 15-year-old boy who earns his living by thieving. One day he spots Anil, a tall and lean 25-year-old man watching a wrestling match. Hari Singh has the ability to assess the characters of others. He cleverly engages Anil in the conversation to judge whether he can be cheated. After a brief introduction, he concludes that Anil can be his next target. So, what is over there? The narrator of the story in this one, Hari Singh, is not actually his name, it is just kept in the story only. Is a boy who is 15-year old and he was earning his living by thieving. Thieving means he was stealing one or the other thing from the houses of the another. So one day what happens? Hari Singh, he saw a person that was Anil, and Anil is a person who was tall and he was very thin person and he was 25 years old. That person was watching a wrestling match, and Hari Singh is such kind of the character that by looking at the other people he was able to assess, he was able to check it out that what is the character of that person. So he cleverly means involves this person Anil in the conversation, and he finds it out that whether Anil can be cheated or he cannot be cheated. So after talking for a long time, what happens is he concludes that Anil can be his next target, that he can be the person whom he can cheat out. Hari puts on his best smile and used flattery to win over Anil, but he hides his actual name from him because he believes that by adopting a new name every month, he can keep the police and his former employers at the bay. Now Hari Singh, he puts a very good smile on his face and he was using very good and good words, good and good things. What is flattery over there? Flattery means when we are saying the good things about any other person which are actually not the true one. So he was using flattery words so that he can win over Anil. But when he hides his actual name from him, because he believes that by adopting this he was hiding his actual name, because he was not telling that, because he believed that if I am going to hide my actual name, then what is going to happen is each and every month I am going to take a new name, I am going to keep a new name. So that's the reason that the police cannot catch me, and even the former employers of this person means whomever he has met in the past, like whomsoever he has uh, means roved earlier, or whomsoever he has theft earlier, that would be away from him. Anil is ignorant about the intention of Hari, so he moves on after casual conversation. Hari Singh does not relent and follows Anil, requesting him to employ him as his domestic help. On being asked if he can cook, Hari Singh again lies that he can. Still, Anil employs him on a condition that he will not be paying him any wages as he could not afford it. Then he takes Hari to his room over the Jamuna sweet shop. Now Anil is ignorant. Anil was not knowing that what are the intentions of this Hari. So he was just moving on in the casual conversation. He was just talking with him in a fluent way, that he is not means such kind of person. He was not knowing anything about him. Hari Singh, he was not even knowing that Hari Singh does not relent or follows. Hari Singh was not showing him that I am following you. He was just talking to him as usual. Now Anil requested him that I am going to keep you out at my home for the domestic help, means you have to do my household works. And when this was asked to Hari Singh, then Hari Singh told a lie that yes, I know all this kind of the works, I will help you. Now Anil, he employs him on a condition. He says that I will keep you at my home on one condition. What is the condition is that I'm not going to give you any money, because I'm not in such kind of the condition that I can pay to you. So then he takes Hari to his room that was over the Jamuna sweet shop. Hari's miserable cooking skills are revealed on the first night itself. Now, as we know that Hari Singh was not cooking properly, so when he cooked on the first night, ultimately his truth came over that he is not a good cook. Anil does not complain and feeds the terrible food cooked by Hari to stray dogs. Later, he pats him on his head and tells him that he would teach him to cook. After some time, he also teaches Hari to write his name and promises to teach him to write whole sentences and addition of numbers as well. Hari feels grateful to Anil for this and imagines a future when he would do wonders as thief after becoming educated. Now whatever the food was made by this boy, here this person Anil, he put it out to the stray dogs that were roaming in the street, and he did not say him anything. He just patted him out on his head and tell him that no problem, I will teach you how to cook the food. And after some time he also told Hari that I am going to teach you how to write your name, and I promise that I am going to teach you how to write the big sentences also. Now this boy was very happy that means when he will teach me, I will be more educated and I will do wonders by thieving and by means stealing one or the other thing from the people. A few days pass. Hari Singh works happily for Anil. The work he does is quite light as he makes tea in the morning and then goes out for buying the daily essential. Now few days were passed. Hari Singh was working very happily because he don't have to do so much hard work. He was only making the tea in the morning, and after that he was going to the market to take the daily food requirements. In this process, he manages to pocket a rupee or so. And by this method, what was happening? Whatever money was given to him for buying the daily essential, he used to keep some money out of that. Anil knows about this cheating, but he simply ignores it. Anil was knowing that this person is cheating me, but he doesn't say him anything. Our trusting Anil gives Hari the key to his room, which makes it easy for the thief to come and go freely. Now, as Anil was a trusting person, he gave Hari Singh the key of his room and he told him that you can come and go whenever you like to. After some days, Hari makes out that Anil is freelance writer and does not have any regular source of income. Now after some days Hari comes to know that Anil is actually a freelance writer, means whenever he gets something to write he was writing it out, and he is not having any regular source of income, means which can be given every month. At times he even needs to borrow. Sometimes his condition is such that he has to take money from some other person by saying that I'm going to return it after some time. However, when he makes subsequential money, he squanders it. When he had so much large amount of the money, subsequential means when he has enough amount of the money, then he used to waste it out.